track list was from years of voice notes in my phone, you know, walking down the street, hearing something, recording it, hearing different sounds, being at church, playing piano, and they're hitting record real quick, going back to where drums or whatever I'm playing. And it's just a culmination of some things, and I have this long list, and then I would, as I got inspiration, I would put it on a smaller list. Okay, this is for going to. I'll keep on that chorus, but then sometimes that would, like, no, that's not gonna work. Put it back on the main list, and then, you know, craft again. Sorry, on that chorus, my fault. Take it like kind of double. So, oh, cotton, cotton, cotton. Guys, even with all of that going on, and it was really more about, it was actually 2 weekends before we were supposed to record, and I felt like the Holy Spirit said, scrap the list.